Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play cattle call on guitar. We'll begin by identifying the core chords you'll need to master. Then, we'll delve into the song's structure, helping you understand its musical flow. Finally, we'll break down the specific strumming pattern and rhythm, ensuring you can play along smoothly and confidently. Get ready to learn this classic tune. The heart of cattle call lies in its simple yet effective chord progression. You'll primarily use three major chords, G, C, and D. Practice transitioning between these three shapes until it feels natural. Aim for clean, distinct notes from each string within the chord. A solid foundation with these chords is crucial for a great sound, so take your time here. Now, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A common and effective rhythm for cattle call is a down-down-up-up-down motion. Focus on keeping your strumming hand relaxed and consistent. Try to emphasize the bass notes on your initial downstrokes to give the song its characteristic drive. Practice this rhythm slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed. To truly master cattle call, consistent practice is key. Start by playing at a very slow tempo, focusing on accuracy over speed. Listen closely to the original song to internalize its feel and timing. Dedicate about 15 to 20 minutes each day to practice, and you'll see significant improvement. Enjoy playing this timeless classic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.